Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the basics that often stop auto-replies instantly. Open Messenger settings and make sure automated replies are toggled on. This is the most common miss. Next, verify you have admin or required role permissions because lacking access prevents triggers. Also check the webhook URL and app token fields. If they are incorrect, messages never reach your logic. Once done, save settings and send a test message so you can observe the initial behavior immediately. Once the basics pass, you dig into routing and bot logic to find subtle failures. You should test the rule order because specific triggers must run before generic fallbacks, otherwise they never match. Make sure your keyword matching, regex patterns, and case sensitivity align with actual incoming text. Simultaneously, check server logs and webhook response codes. 200 indicates success, 4xx or 5xx show errors to fix. If you see timeouts, increase webhook timeout or optimize processing to respond quickly. You finish by validating the entire flow and preparing a rollback plan if needed. Run full user flow tests, new conversations, repeated messages, and edge cases to ensure consistent replies. If behavior remains inconsistent, clear caches, restart bot services, and reauthorize tokens. These quick steps often resolve stale credentials or cached configs. If problems persist, capture detailed logs and replicate the error locally. Then roll back recent changes or deploy a hotfix.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.